Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. We had discussed about input and output devices in our last video. We had also discussed the examples of input and output devices. In this video, we will learn hardware and software. Computer is made by two components, hardware and software. Hardware are the physical parts of the computer whose we can see and touch. For example, a keyboard. We can type any key on the keyboard and touch them. We can see the keyboard. So all the devices like CPU, mouse, monitor, keyboard we can touch. So these are the examples of hardware. So then software is a set of programs or instructions. For example, we use calculator in our program computer. So calculator is a software, and we also play games in our computer. So games are also software. Anything that runs in the computer and we can't touch them are software. Obviously we can't see or touch them physically. Examples are like Windows, Google Chrome, MS Word, and also web browsers and so many programs or softwares. Let's take a real life example. We can take example of a human body. Like human body has so many organs that performs different kind of operations, and like human body has so many organs and it has also a soul. So organs are like hardware, we can touch them, and without soul they can't work properly. So soul is a software, and the organs inside a human body can be related with hardware. So human body is made with organs plus soul. Similarly, computer is made with hardware and software. Without hardware, the software alone can't work, and without software, the hardware alone can't work. So today we saw what is hardware and software. So in next video we will see characteristics of computers. So thank you for listening.